Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The topic of the discussion is the water soluble vitamins, and today the vitamin for the discussion is the niacin or the vitamin B3. It is also the water soluble vitamin. Niacin or vitamin B3 sources: it is present in the unrefined grains, yeast, liver, meat, fish, lean meat. Milk is also the poor source of the vitamin B3. The idea for the vitamin B3 is 12 to 20 milligram. Vitamin B3 is also the redox vitamin because it is involved in the various oxidation reduction reactions. However, it is not strictly a vitamin. You can say it is not a true vitamin because it is synthesized in the body from the essential amino acid, that is the tryptophan. However, the 60 milligram tryptophan can produce 1 milligram niacin. The vitamin B2, B6 and the iron is required for the conversion of the tryptophan to the niacin, and 1 milligram niacin the body obtained from the tryptophan. However, the rest requirement is supplied by the diet. The niacin is a nutritional term used to refer the vitamins. Vitamins, the different structural form of the vitamin with the same biological activity, the nicotinic acid and the nicotinamide. The word niacin is coined from the letters of the three words nicotinic acid and the vitamin. The two compounds nicotinic acid and nicotinamide have the biological activity of the niacin. However, this is the structure of the nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. Nicotinic acid or niacin is substituted pyridine derivative called the pyridine 3 carboxylic acid, while nicotinamide, it is a derivative of the nicotinic acid, occur in the diet. Amide group is present instead of the carboxylic group, radially deaminate in the body, and it is nutritionally equivalent to the niacin, and it is also called as the pyridine 3 carboxylic amide. The active form of the vitamin B3 or the coenzyme form of the B3 are the NAD and NADP, nicotine adenine, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. It is the synthesis of the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and the attachment of the phosphate group to the 2' hydroxyl group in the NAD to yield the NADP. The niacin is attached. The niacin in the form of the nicotinamide is incorporated into the structure of the two coenzyme, that is the NAD and NADP. The niacin is attached to the ribose phosphate to form the mononucleotide, which is then attached to the AMP to form the nicotinate adenine dinucleotide. The latter reacts with the glutamine to form its amide, that is the NAD. The nitrogen atom of nicotinamide contains 1 positive charge, hence the structure is written as abbreviated NAD plus. In case of the NADP, a phosphate group is attached to the 2' hydroxyl group of the ribose, resulting the formation of the NADP, that is the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Biochemical functions. In biochemical function, NAD is converted into the NADH, while NADP is converted to NADPH. Actually, the two biologically active form of the niacin is the NAD and NADP. They are in the biological during the biological chemical reaction, they are converted into their reduced form, that is the NADH and NADPH. They are involved in the various oxidation reduction reactions. In these reactions, they accept the hydrogen, that is one electron and the one hydrogen, and resulting is the formation of NADH and NADPH, that is the reduced form. During the when they accept the hydrogen, they lost the charge. NAD is used largely in the catabolic redox reaction occurring in the mitochondrial matrix, while the NADP in the form of the NADPH is used largely in the reductive biosynthesis reactions, for example, cholesterogenesis and the lipogenesis in the extra mitochondrial compartment of the cell. The reaction in which the enzyme use the NAD as a coenzymes are the pyruvate dehydrogenase, in which the pyruvate is converted into the acetyl-CoA, while isocytrate dehydrogenase, the enzyme which involves the conversion of isocytrate to alpha-ketoglutarate, malate dehydrogenase, the enzyme which convert malate to oxaloacetate, alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. This enzyme also uses the NAD as a coenzyme involved in the conversion of alpha-ketoglutarate to the succinyl-CoA glutamate dehydrogenase. This enzyme involves the conversion of glutamate to alpha-ketoglutarate and ammonia, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, lactate dehydrogenase, in which the pyruvate is formed from the lactate. These are some examples of the enzymes which use the NAD as a coenzyme. This is the mechanism of the reduction of the NAD, in which the NAD accepts the hydrogen and convert it into the its reduced form, that is the NADH. NADP. The NADP acts as a coenzyme for the glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Major source actually NADP is not stably associated with the enzyme being as a coenzyme. Hence, such enzyme called NADPH depending enzymes. The major source of NADPH in the animal is the pentose phosphate pathway. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, which is abbreviated as the NADP, is a cofactor used in the anabolic reactions such as lipid and nucleic acid synthesis, which require NADPH as a reducing agent. NADPH is a reduced form of the NADP. NADP differs from NAD in the presence of an additional phosphate group on the 2' position of the ribose ring that carries the adenine moiety. NAD is the source of the ribose, ADP ribose. In addition to its coenzyme role, NAD is the source of the ADP ribose for the ADP ribosylation of the protein and the poly ADP ribosylation of the nucleoproteins involving in the DNA repair mechanism. However, cyclic ADP ribose and nicotinic acid adenine dinucleotide formed from the NAD act to increase the intracellular calcium in response to the neurotransmitters and hormones. Clinical deficiency. Pellagra is caused by the deficiency of the tryptophan and the niacin. Pellagra is characterized by the photosensitive dermatitis. As the condition progresses, there is a depressive psychosis and the possibly diarrhea. Pellagra involves the skin, gastrointestinal tract, and the central nervous system problem. Symptoms of the pellagra progress through the 3Ds, that is dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. And 4D may also occur, that is the death if untreated. So we can say untreated pellagra is fatal for the patients. Either the tryptophan or niacin prevents or cures the disease. Corn-based diet can also cause the pellagra because it is low niacin and the tryptophan. However, as I told you that the conversion of tryptophan into the niacin Some other factors are involved in which the vitamin B2 and vitamin B6 are also important factors. Additionally, uh, including the deficiency of the riboflavin or vitamin B6, both of which are required for the synthesis of the nicotinamide from the tryptophan, also important. If there is a deficiency of the B2 and the B6, also they can cause the plagra. In most outbreaks of the plagra, twice as many women as men are affected. This is due to because inhibition of the tryptophan metabolism by the estrogen metabolites. The plagra can occur as a result of the disease despite an adequate intake of the tryptophan and the niacin. For example, the Hartnup disease, the number of the genetic disease that results in defects of the tryptophan metabolism are associated with the development of the plagra despite an apparently adequate intake of both the tryptophan and the niacin. Hartnup disease, it is a rare genetic condition in which there is a defect of the membrane transport mechanism for the tryptophan, resulting in the large loss as a result of intestinal malabsorption and the failure of the renal reabsorption. However, in the carcinoid syndrome, there is a metastasis of a primary liver tumor of the enterochromaffin cells which synthesize 5-hydroxytryptamine. The overproduction of 5-hydroxytryptamine may account for as much as 60% of the body's tryptophan metabolism, causing plagra because of the diversion away from the synthesis of the NAD. Therapeutic uses of the niacin. Niacin is used in the treatment of the hyperlipidemia. The niacin at the doses of the 1.5 gram per day strongly inhibits the lipolysis in the adipose tissue, the primary producer of the circulating free fatty acid. The liver normally uses these circulating fatty acids, free fatty acid, as a major precursor for triacylglycerol synthesis. Thus, we can say niacin causes a decrease in the liver triacylglycerol synthesis, which is required for very low density lipoprotein production, and LDL, the cholesterol-rich lipoprotein, is derived from VLDL in the plasma. Thus, both plasma triacylglycerol and LDL are lowered. Therefore, niacin is particularly useful in the treatment of the type 2 beta hyperlipoproteinemia, in which both VLDL and LDL are elevated. However, the large doses necessary to produce the lipid lowering effect have undesirable side effects. For example, vasodilation and prostaglandin mediated flushing. However, aspirin can reduce these side effects by inhibiting the prostaglandin synthesis. Toxicity. Niacin is toxic in excess. Nicotinic acid has been used to treat the hyperlipidemia when the order of 1 to 6 gram per day are required, causing dilation of blood vessels and flushing along with the skin irritation. Intakes of both the nicotinic acid and nicotinamide in excess of 500 milligram per day cause the liver damage. This is all about the niacin. Now the quick review of this water-soluble vitamin B3, that is the nicotinic acid. It is also called as the PP factor, plagra preventing factor. Nicotinic acid or the niacin is chemically pyridine 3-carboxylic acid. In tissues occurs principally as the amide, that is the nicotinamide. In this form, it enters into the physiological active combination. However, the coenzyme form or the active form of the niacin are the NAD and NADP. Various biological chemical reaction in which the enzyme required the NAD or NADP as a coenzyme. However, it is also called as the redox vitamin. It is not strictly true vitamin because tryptophan can synthesize the niacin in the body. The reaction catalyzed by the enzyme which use the NAD as a coenzyme are the alcohol dehydrogenase, lactate dehydrogenase, malate dehydrogenase, pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, while the NADP, the glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. However, the therapeutic uses of the niacin is that it is used to treat the uh, um, hyperproteinemia, hyperlipidemia. Uh, However, the deficiency of the niacin caused the plagra features. It is also